Okay, first stop on your right, that's Bandit, and he is a green-winged macaw. As you can see, his body is covered with mostly red plumage. His wing and tail feathers are blue and green. That macaw has a white naked face striped with small red feathers. Also guys, green-winged macaws are known as the gentle giants of the parrot family. That is because they're the second largest parrot next to the hyacinth macaw. Their scientific name is Arabidopterus. Say hi to them, Bandit. Hi. Okay, so on your left, that's Goldie, and she is a blue and gold macaw. Blue and gold macaws has a beautiful shade of blue on their back and a solid shade of yellow on their bellies and inner wings. Their eyes and beaks are solid black. Blue and gold macaw belongs to the large group of parrots, measuring about 80 centimeters in length. The scientific name is Ararauna. Say hi to them, Goldie. Hi. Okay, so with me here is our eclectus parrot, and her name is Red. Eclectus parrots are very unusual in the parrot family. That is because our parrots extreme sexual dimorphism, meaning there are striking visual differences between a male and a female bird. And you can easily distinguish their gender by just looking at their feathers. Okay, so right here is a female eclectus parrot. That is because of her bright red colored feathers. Whereas of the male, they will appear bright green colored feathers. Again guys, dali lang sila yung gender, no? Red means female and green is for the male. That is only applicable for eclectus parrot family. So kung nag-wonder mo, saan ito pag-gender sa atong big birds like macaws? Like the Bandit o the Goldie. So we need to extract that from them, then amo na sila ipa-DNA. So di na makita sa appearance lang kaning mga big birds na to. So we need to DNA them para ma-identify ilang gender. Okay, so scientific name of eclectus parrot is Eclectus ruratus. And they can live up to 30 years old. While our macaws, Bandit, and Goldie can live up to, kasi makatagal pila? 16 to 70 years old. Okay, so that's it for our 3 types of parrots here in Cebu Ocean Park. We have our green-winged macaw, Bandit, our eclectus parrot, Red, and our blue and gold macaw, Goldie. Now, parrots in particular are known to be intelligent and perceptive, and just like kids, they do best when kept engaged and occupied. Now, who knows this game? This is called the Shape Box Puzzle. You used to remember playing this game when you were still kids. So let's call in Bandit once again, and he's gonna show us how intelligent he is by putting all the shapes right back to their correct slots. Let's go, Bandit. Alright, take note guys, although the Shape Box Puzzle is a learned behavior, this is not possible without Bandit's intelligence, memory, and perception. Again guys, parrots have very good memories, and they can remember even the smallest and slightest details. They use this skill in the wild to find food and find shelter. And these birds typically feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the riverbanks. There you go, intelligent, right? Let's give it up for green-winged macaw, Bandit.